Welcome back. This is Rizwan and I will be showing about different plots in this video series. Before we jump into another plots, let us talk about some of the bits we have missed from the previous tutorials. So in this video, I will be sharing two things. One is how to change the colors of this scatter plot and how we can use a second dimension as a column. So for example, if we want to use the smoker as a dimension and we don't want it to be in a color, but we want it to be in a different column, so there will be two column as we got two attributes in the smoke. So how would we do that one? That's very easy and simple. We copy paste the same codes what we have used earlier and then remove everything. So for example, if I'm removing hue and I will put it as a call means column. So now it will be showing me two columns. One would be no and another would be yes. So you can see that there is two columns with smoker equal to yes and smoker equal to no. So here all the data points is of person is a smoker and here the person is non-smoker, which we have seen aggregated columns in the same plot. We can change the color by using color palette. Palette is equal to, we can find out what the palettes we want. So color palette in Seaborn. So if we will see a lot of color palettes here. We can choose any of the color palettes. So we can choose Mako, so it will give me a color of these ones. So you can see the color. Okay, so we can add maybe hue as hue equal to size. Now we can see the variety of the color because we got multiple attributes here. So I just wanted to show you that these are the other things which was left from the other video. Thank you very much and see you later in the next video.